Yeah, hi. I'm going to show you how to change a Kia Venga 2015 car battery. So here's the car here, Kia Venga. There's the new battery. I've already taken out the old one. It's an AGM type battery, as it's a start-stop version. Now it looks good. It's a little bit of a tricky job. I've taken the battery out so I can show you exactly where to take the bolts out. So this was the live connection. So I've undone that, taken it off, and that's the earth. You always disconnect the earth lead first and reconnect last. So I've disconnected those. This unit here is actually bolted here. So I've unbolted that. It was actually bolted here and here. So there were two bolts holding that, and then this was actually holding the battery in. So I had to undo those two bolts. I've also had to undo a bolt holding this bracket. So I've undone that bolt as well, which is holding that bracket. Okay, so I put the bolts there, safekeeping. I've undone that, moved that back, and then wiggled the battery, pushed it back, and then slid the battery out of the compartment. So it's not too much of a difficult job really, once you can get your hands around the back. So I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.